Did you know some people can hear a sound that is slowly destroying their minds and nobody can explain where it comes from? In Taos, New Mexico, roughly 2% of residents hear it, a low, grinding hum, constant, never stopping. Day and night, it vibrates inside their skulls like a diesel engine idling just outside the window. But there is no engine. There is no source. Victims call it the Taos hum, and for some of them, it has meant the end of everything. People have lost their jobs, their marriages, their sanity. Some have taken their own lives just to make it stop. One resident described it as being buried alive inside your own head. The government investigated. Scientists came with equipment. They found nothing. What makes it even more disturbing is that only certain people can hear it. Not everyone. Just specific individuals chosen by something no one understands. And Taos is not alone. The same hum has been reported in Bristol, in Auckland, in the Scottish Highlands. Always the same sound. Always the same suffering. Something is targeting people, and nobody knows why.